Hey there, political enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a controversy that's been making waves in Zimbabwe. Buckle up because things are about to get interesting. So, President Emerson Mnangagwa recently granted an exclusive Starlink operating license to Chivhayo, a figure with quite a controversial past. This move bypassed the usual regulatory channels and left the telecommunications regulator, POTRAZ, and the ICT ministry completely in the dark. Imagine waking up to find out about this on Twitter, just like everyone else. Now, legal experts are scratching their heads over this. The law states that POTRAZ should handle such licenses, not the president. And what's raising even more eyebrows is Chivhayo's history. This guy has criminal convictions, yet he's the chosen one for Starlink? It's no wonder people are crying foul play. And here's the kicker. Starlink has stayed mum on the whole issue. No confirmation, no denial, just silence. For a company with such a global reputation, this lack of transparency is, well, concerning. It makes you wonder what's really going on behind closed doors. But wait, there's more. Just when you thought the plot couldn't thicken, POTRAZ stepped in and revoked the exclusive license. That's right, they pulled the rug out from under Chivhayo's company, IMC Communications. This opens up the market to competition, letting other ISPs negotiate directly with Starlink. It's a move that highlights the power struggles within Zimbabwe's ruling party, Zanu PF. And as if things weren't already complicated, Chivhayo got caught up in another scandal. Leaked chats suggest he might be involved in terrorism financing. Yikes. This just adds another layer of intrigue to the Starlink saga. The whole episode is a stark reminder of the challenges and risks of doing business in Zimbabwe. Political connections seem to play a massive role, and transparency is often just a buzzword. So what do you think? Is this cronyism at its finest or just a big misunderstanding? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most intriguing political stories. Until next time, stay curious.